This is an unboxing of the Analog Discovery 3 from Digilent. It's a road test from Element 14. In the package we have a little module and the Analog Discovery 3. So let's have a quick look in here. Some grabbers, 6 grabbers, micro grabbers. There's some 2 scope probes. And a plastic case with the Analog Discovery 3 in it. So there's some headers and a bunch of DuPont jumpers connected to a header or a female header connector. And here's the Analog Discovery 3 itself. Nice. This is where that connector goes. Got some nice rubber feet on it. We have a USB port and a 5-volt power supply port. Okay, so what else is in here? We have some labels which we can stick on. And a USB cable. And I think that's it. So we can get all the information that we need on the Digilent website. That's a nice little case we can keep it in. And in here we have a BNC adapter . Now, this is really handy because I will be using this to do some of my tests. Unfortunately, I didn't see this as part of the kit and I ordered my own. So I will now have 2 of them. But that's going to be handy, and the other ones that I ordered have not arrived, so it's pretty useful that it came with the kit. And this just plugs in to the Discovery module itself. So that's a very quick unboxing, and I need to download all the software that goes with this and power it up and just see how it all works together. But I'm pretty excited to be doing this. This little module has enormous capability. It can be an oscilloscope, it can be a logic analyzer, it can be a network analyzer, and all sorts of things. It can be analog and digital outputs. It can actually be a little power supply. But we will get into all of that when I do the actual road test.